Want to create this type of slice text effect in Photoshop, but you don't know how to create this? Don't worry, I will show you how to create this effect in few easy steps. Let's jump into the Photoshop. Select Type tool and type your text. Align the text in the center of canvas. Now select the polygonal lasso tool and draw a shape on text just like me. In the Layers panel, select the text layer and create a mask. Now duplicate the layer. Select the first layer and press Ctrl+I on keyboard to invert the layer. Again, select the first text layer and press down arrow key on keyboard to create gap between the text. Now hold Ctrl on keyboard and left click on the mask of first text layer to create selection. Create a new layer. Select Brush tool and copy my brush settings. When the brush settings are all set, draw a shadow on the text and reduce its fill and see the magic. All done, your slice text is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more informative tutorials.